Hi, my name is Dr. Julie Hayek, and I practice natural medicine, and I use a lot of herbs and food and different things like that because it's all natural in order to help people. I'm volunteering at a place called UG Pines Institute, and it is an awesome place because we have people that come from all over the world that come to our lifestyle center to reverse their disease, to help them to feel better. And at the lifestyle center, not only do we help people, but we also have students that come through to get trained as medical missionaries. And we get students from everywhere. And we have a LE program, which is Lifestyle Educator Program. And then they can continue on and go through the LC program, which is a Lifestyle Counselor Program. And that's where they work at the Lifestyle Center. We have many, many opportunities all over the world to help people through UG Pines. And I'm just excited to be a part of that. UG Pines, you can go online at www.ugpines.org. That's www.ucheepines.org, as you can see on the screen. UG Pines is an awesome place. We have just started doing live virtual life sessions on wellness, 6-day wellness conferences, and 17-day virtual lifestyle classes. So then that way you can do it at home if you're not able to come to the Lifestyle Center. The other thing that we have is on myself, I have also a website called drjuliespeaks.net. And I also have classes that I teach on Teachable, and that's www.drjulieonnaturalhealthandhealing.teachable.com. And as you can see, that this is all about helping people in order so that way they can feel better and truly live life. So my life is all about helping people and giving them the help that they need so that way they can improve on their health. So what I do here at UG Pines is help teach classes for our students, as well as some classes for the online classes that we have, for the virtual sessions, as well as the patients. I also work at a place called Country Life, which is in Columbus, Georgia. I have a practice there at the Natural Food Store, which is Country Life's Natural Food Store and vegetarian restaurant. We are always getting new people that come there every single day because we have so many things to offer to people to help them with their health. I do a lot of health training, teaching classes. I train people, go to different locations and to train people, as well as doing it on Zoom live calls, and also a format on Teachable teaching courses so that way people can go through on their own time and get through the information and to make that change so that way they can be healthy and happy and experience true living healthfully. There's going to be a class that I'm really excited about that I've been doing a lot, and it's on healthy weight. A lot of people are carrying a lot of extra weight. And why is that? It's because probably one major thing is about nutrition. Nutrition is a huge thing, and that's why I want to let people know that you can do so much just by changing your diet. And if you want to get a hold of me, you can go to Dr. Julie at ugpines.org, or you can go to Dr. Julie Speaks at iCloud.com. You can call me at 248-894-9560, or you can call me at the office at UG Pines, which is 334-855-4764, and my extension is 7008, or at Country Life at the practice there is 706-323-9194. So why is nutrition important? And what is the form of nutrition that we need to have? Nutrition is the proper food that God has given us, which is like the Eden diet, to nourish our bodies by feeding ourselves to make us well. And that is truly what it's all about. If you're not happy and you're not well, you're not going to be able to perform a lot of things. So the biggest thing is to understand how to feed ourselves, so then that way we can feel good and be well. Some things we need to know is fueling our bodies for optimal health. So diet does have a relationship with food. Food does make a huge difference. And why is that? I guess because when we go to the Bible and we see in Genesis chapter 1 and 2 and 3, we see that Adam and Eve basically were fruitarians and vegetarians. They ate nuts, fruits, whole grains. And so with that, we know from research that diet does play a huge role. And so what are the best ways to fuel our body? By eating those types of foods. Building our body, the same thing. Sometimes people think about detoxing their system, and they do it only certain times of the year. But I'm telling you, if you're on this diet, you're actually cleansing and detoxing your body every single day because of the different types of foods that you'll be eating. And that will also support your organs, your muscles, and your cells. You know, they talk about the liver being one of the most important organs. Well, it truly is. Because if you just know one little thing, it's called lemons. Just remember LLL. Liver loves lemons. And the reason why that's so important is because if we can detox our liver, that will make up for a host of other ill problems. So that's just one area. But we got our kidneys, we got our gallbladder, we got our pancreas, we've got our colon. All of those things must have some kind of a detox or a cleanse. So if we can get back to that natural diet that God has designed, then we're going to be whole and happy. And that's what most people want to experience. And once they find this way of eating, they will truly experience that. So food must be our medicine. You know, medicine doesn't taste good, but if you eat good food, that's great medicine, right? So these are some of the things I want to share with you. Nutrition is eating the proper food, like the Eden diet that God gives us to fuel our body by feeding ourselves so we can be well. Another thing is whole food, plant-based diet. It's about whole grains, legumes, vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds. And these things can make a huge difference because I have seen people come to my office when I was in Southfield, Michigan, that were really overweight. And you couldn't really get them to exercise because it would be hard for them to even tie their shoes. But if you gave them a whole new meal plan, changing their diet, tweaking some things in their diet, and then helping them to be able to make that food taste great. And after a week, they were losing weight. Now they're ready to bend over, tie their shoe, and be able to move a little more. So nutrition is really one of the first keys that I like to tell people about because it truly can help people. I even helped my sister change her diet by losing a pound a day for 30 days. So I'm excited to be able to help people to get the results that they need in order to keep it off or to help them to keep it off. So the big thing that we have to understand is that grains, fruits, nuts, and vegetables constitute the diet chosen for us by our Creator. These foods, prepared in a simple and natural a manner as possible, are the most healthful and nourishing. They impart a strength, a power of endurance, and a vigor of intellect that are not more afforded by a more complex and stimulating diet. That's taken from one of my favorite books called Ministry of Healing, page 195. And also I found it in another book called Counsels on Diet and Food on page 310. An excellent way to live is by eating foods at their natural states. So food should be what? We should actually be getting raw food. Between 75 to 80% of our food should be raw every single day. And this will give us that energy, that vigor in that life, because when we're eating live food, that's what's going to make the difference. When we're eating live food, it makes us more alive. And don't you want to feel more alive? I know I do. And have that energy? Yes. The more food that we can eat raw will help us. However, sometimes people will have problems by changing overnight, changing their diet into a raw diet. And here's the thing, food will cleanse your body. So however you decide to change overnight to eat that raw food and experience maybe juicing and stuff like that, you may feel bad or you might feel really good and have a lot of energy. But it may depend on how much toxins that you have in your body will denote if you might feel a little bad, or if you are sick already, you might start feeling better. But sometimes when we detox, we go through that cleansing process and you feel a little sick for a moment, and then once you get over that hump, then you start feeling really, really good. So keep on the path, because healing is coming. And so I just want to let you know that even if you take step by step and you're improving every day a little by little, that's still walking in the right way, in the right direction. Or if you want to do it all at one time, that's fine too. And you can get those results a lot quicker than if you did it slower. So either way, they're both good ways. One, you're going to get results faster. The other way, it's a little slower, but you will get the results. I know you'll get the results. I've had too many people come into my office and got the results. So toxins is one of the things that you need to be aware of. Our body is trying to get rid of those toxins in our body, and that's just part of the process of cleaning your system. So research and diseases, well, what does it say about that? Well, we have found that meat eating, especially diseased animals, from inoculation of different type of drugs and hormones that they're injecting into these animals for the purpose of producing more milk or eggs or fatten that animal up just to bring that animal to the market quicker. We've seen this in chickens, how the chickens doesn't take as much time to grow them, to get them out there so then that way they can use it for fast food, or even making sure that they have a lot of eggs, producing more and more eggs, as well as milk, or even the cow producing more meat. It's not what a cow eats. Corn is usually not what cows eat. They eat grass. But by eating corn, it fattens them up. And then by injecting them with hormones, that makes them produce more milk. And so all of this is going into the meat or into the milk or into the eggs or into the animal. And when we eat that, that's what's causing us to have a lot of problems. And we're seeing that there's 80,000 more chemicals that are being introduced into this animal meat that we eat, and therefore we're seeing more health issues. As a practitioner, as a doctor, I'm seeing more people coming in with more issues on health, and we've got to try to find ways of helping them. So the best thing to do is to change your diet, eat differently, and as we cleanse you, to get rid of those toxins and those chemicals, those hormones, those drugs and stuff that's inside of you to get out, then we're going to see better results. When people eat meat, they're going to have to use drugs because of the way the meat is today. People just will have to use drugs. That's why for me and the things that I do, I want people to be free from that. I want them to live. I want them to be healthy. So in my mind, the best thing to do is to help them get on the right path, eat the right foods, so then that way they can really feel good and have that health. So one thing you need to do is buy organic or non-GMO foods if possible. Try to do that. And let me tell you, the best place in the store is right when you walk in. It's called the produce section. Because if you get food that's more natural to its state, that is what you're going to find to be the best food. Those are the best things to eat because those are wholesome. Those are in the natural state. And that's what we need to eat more of. That way we'll get more benefit out of it. So diet and disease, that relationship, it can result in either reversing your disease or it can cause the disease. Depending on what you eat will mean that you're going to reverse that disease or you're going to make and cause a disease. So if you're eating a lot of processed foods, then that's going to give you problems in the long run. If you're eating meats, that's going to give you problems in the long run. We know that in the Bible, it talks about clean and unclean meats. And we know that those unclean meats are really, really bad for you. And even today, in the day that we live, eating meat is not so good either, just because of what I told you before about the chemicals that they're putting in the animals. and their feed and stuff like that. So if we can shift and eat differently, we will see that we can actually reverse our disease. And most chronic diseases in America, for Americans, developed are actually food-borne illnesses. It's in our food. And some of this food not only gets toxins in our system, but it excites our nervous system, and we become addictive to some of the foods like sugars. Sugar is a huge addiction, and most people don't even realize it. But if we're eating good, sweet fruits like pears and sweet fruits like bananas and cherries and things that are sweet, that taste good, that are already naturally sweet, those are the things you want to go for, not for the things that are going to be sugary and those dainties like that. But once we start eating a good whole food plant-based diet, our taste buds also change. We need to dump all animal-derived foods and processed food products, as well as oils, and then replace or adapt to a plant-based whole food diet. And the reason why is because we need more fiber. Yes, fiber needs to come back in our diet so we can have good bowel movements. Dietary fiber is extremely important, and the lack of fiber plus the consumption of processed foods is primarily the cause of poor colon health. So you want to make sure that you're getting fruits and vegetables in your diet, whole grains, so then that way you will have an awesome bowel movement. And if you can have good bowel movements, you're going to feel so much better. Actually, once you eat, you should take a 15-minute digestive walk, because when you put the food in your mouth, you need to chew, 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 because it's good for you. And when you do that, that means the enzymes will be able to break that food down in your mouth, and then as it gets into the stomach, it'll be able to break it down even further so it can get into those cells, and that way those cells can make sure that everything is nourished in your whole body. But also when you eat fiber, that bulks you up and it'll clean your colon. So the whole plant-based diet will give tremendous results. And you need to make sure that you're getting plenty of those things. So here it is. Grains, fruits, nuts, and vegetables constitute the diet chosen for us by our Creator. These foods, prepared in as simple and a natural manner as possible, are the most healthful and nourishing. They impart a strength and a power of endurance and of a vigor of intellect that are not afforded by a more complex and stimulating diet.